Here we come to the modernized elevators at the Student Center South, University of Houston, Houston, Texas. This was just recently modernized last year ago. Interesting how it doesn't have the directional lanterns. Now, just for your information, I know I don't focus, I know I've been doing before after elevator modernization videos quite a lot over the past, but I'm only going to do before after if I filmed an elevator before mod, such as this one. Anyways, let's ride, here we go. Epic motor. I'm gonna get the other elevator car now. Epico gong chime. The cabs are still original, but other than that. This one's got a fan. I'm glad we got a full silent ride on the other elevator car without the fan on. But anyways, we're gonna go back down to one end there. I believe this is a smart rise. I don't know who did the modernization, but it's quite obvious that this mod is a smart rise. I mean, this is a smart rise elevator, but who did the modernization, I don't know. It's just like the other one. It could be elevator repair service. I have no idea. Interesting how it's got only the floor indicator in the lobby. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.